Maraming kalokohan. Sa totoo lang, nung panahon before my time sa importation ng isda. And ayoko nang sabihin kasi meron din isang congressman na humingi sa akin ng maraming allocation at hindi ko pinagbigyan ng isda. At ang pangalan nun, Saldico.
All right. But very clear, no? Okay.
Tatlong nominated companies niya. At ang isang kumpanya doon, pangalan pa, ZC Victory Fishing Corporation.
Can you state all the other companies that you're mentioning?
I don't remember as of the moment kasi biglaan itong mga natin.
So ano po yung gusto niyo pong banggitin about that? Do you feel that there is a conflict of interest there?
Hindi naman. Ang sinasabi ko lang, we were being forced at that time to give him 3,000 containers of fish, which I did not agree.
Well, what do you mean by being forced, actually?
Well, pinipilit na kami mag-issue ng import permit while we already have a formula. No, the data speaks for itself. At kaya kong tindigan to.
But you have did you actually issue it or no? Did you issue po the request?
No.